Microsoft Teams allows users for instant messaging, voice or video calling, file storing, sharing, collaborative editing, and more. But if you want to find and restore deleted files from the recycle bin, make sure to follow the steps in this video. Now currently, there is no recycle bin available in the Microsoft Teams application. However, as a workaround, you can still access the recycle bin in the SharePoint website. To access it, simply go to the Files tab, select More Options, and then click on Open in SharePoint. Once you're on this website, click on Recycle Bin on the left pane, and you will find all of your deleted files in here. Now to restore any file, just click on it, and then select Restore from the options. And that's it! You can now find and restore deleted files in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.